Just sprinkle cloves onto a lit candle and wait a few seconds to see what happens. It might seem far too simple to be real, but when I tried this, everything changed. I stopped spending money on expensive store options that promise results but never last. Let's get started. Take 3 regular candles and place them in a small pan over low heat. Let them melt slowly. This part is essential. Watch as the wax softens and liquefies. When the candles are completely melted, turn off the heat and don't throw away the wicks. You'll be using them again soon. Comment below which city you're watching from. Let's see where everyone is from. Now, choose a small glass container. Carefully pour the wax into the container, filling it to about 3/4 full. You want enough space for the ingredients to mix well. While the wax is still warm, it's time to add the cloves. Sprinkle a generous amount over the surface. The scent starts to rise immediately, rich and welcoming. Now bring in another secret ingredient, ground cinnamon. Add a full tablespoon and stir gently into the wax. Mix slowly and evenly to create the perfect balance. The combination of clove and cinnamon smells like something from a cozy countryside cabin, and it only gets better. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. This recipe came from my grandfather. His recipe came from my grandfather. He lived in a small village and believed every natural ingredient had a purpose. After mixing well, take one of the saved wicks and lower it into the center of the wax. Use a skewer, toothpick, or clothespin balanced over the edge to keep it straight while the wax hardens. Let it cool slowly at room temperature. The scent will begin to fill the space long before it's lit. When it's completely hardened, trim the wick to the desired height. That's it. You've just created a beautiful rustic homemade candle. But the real magic starts now. Light the candle, and within seconds, the room fills with warmth. The aroma of clove and cinnamon is soft, inviting, and quietly powerful. You'll notice something different in the atmosphere. It's not just about fragrance. This blend does something special. What you've created is more than a candle. It's a natural shield. Without synthetic sprays or harsh chemicals, it subtly protects against certain small flying visitors that never seem to leave. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Not only does it enhance protective aroma, but according to tradition, it also brings positivity and abundance to your home. Did you know something so simple could do all that? Try it today and comment below which part surprised you the most. If you loved this tip, share it with someone who needs a calmer, cozier, and cleaner space. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.